喺愛荷華州呢間餐廳，電視直播火箭升空嘅過程。喺火箭升空嘅一刻，有食客專注望住。
4, 3, 2, 1, booster ignition。
太空發射系統火箭連同獵戶座太空船喺美國東岸時間星期三晏晝6:35喺佛羅里達州嘅甘迺迪太空中心發射升空。今次嘅阿提密斯2號任務為期10日，係人類54年之後再次重返月球軌道。4位參與任務嘅太空人會繞月飛行，創下史上距離地球最遠嘅飛行紀錄。今次嘅任務亦係為未來人類重新登月奠定基礎。
They're just trying to show that we still have like resources and we still have like the ability to do things, just like show the world that we're still like this big country.
I think it's really awesome. I think it's cool that it's like happening during our lifetime because the last time obviously it was before our time, so we didn't really get to experience that, but like our grandparents did and things like that, and maybe some of our parents. So it's cool that we as a generation are getting to experience that. It seems like it would be a pretty big milestone for the US, I think, like especially because so much time has passed and there hasn't been a lot of like activity with that sort of thing, like that sort of expedition. So hopefully it's something that we view as like positive and a good milestone.
華盛頓郵報評論話，今次嘅任務充分展現美國太空產業嘅蓬勃發展，而唔少私人企業都爭相發展科技，為未來嘅任務開發唔同嘅系統。美國太空總署計劃喺2028年之前安排太空人登陸月球，亦都計劃未來7年喺月球興建基地。廣播新聞網記者蘇俊熙喺美國愛荷華州報導。